Okay, in this short video series, we're going to go over some of the most common fixes for problems with Internet Explorer. Sometimes websites do not display properly in Internet Explorer. That's due to an upgrade, a new version of Internet Explorer that came out, or a Windows update. Could be a variety of things, but sometimes you'll have a website where everything was working fine one day, and then the next day you couldn't log into the website, or you couldn't search in the website, or some functionality in the website's not working. There's several things that you can do within Internet Explorer to fix that problem. Now, of course, one of the best things you can do is just use a different browser. You can use Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, for example, and that will eliminate a lot of the problems with IE. But of course, that's not always practical, and for whatever reason, you might want to try to get Internet Explorer IE to work properly. So in this first video, we're going to go over compatibility mode. Okay, now we're using Internet Explorer, and the website that I'm going to use in these videos as an example is Amazon.com. It's a major popular website, so I just picked it. In reality, it's not very likely that Amazon, as big as it is, being one of the largest online businesses in the world, would actually have problems not displaying properly in IE, because they have teams of developers working, to make sure that website is compatible everywhere. So that website's probably not the best example, but for the purposes of these videos, it's fine. I'm just going to go over the steps of the things that you might be able to do. So the first thing you want to do to turn on compatibility mode. And what compatibility mode is, it's a feature that's been in Internet Explorer since version 9. As of the time that I'm recording this video, this right here is IE version 11. And these instructions apply on version 9, version 10, and version 11. And presumably, when version 12 comes out, they may apply there as well. So if you're looking at this video and IE 12 is out, or some other later version, you might want to try it and see if it works. So compatibility mode will force the website will force IE to render the website using an older engine. So it will emulate like an older version of IE and try to display the website to you properly and try to get all the functionality of the website to work, right? So how you do that is you have to access your file menu here. Now let me show you something real quick, because on most versions of IE 9, 10, and 11, right out of the box, that file menu is not there. So you have to turn that on. And there's two ways that you can do that. The first thing you can do is hit the left Alt key on the keyboard. If you look down at the bottom of your keyboard where the space bar is, to the left and the right of the space bar is an Alt key. There's an Alt key on the left and an Alt key on the right of the space bar. So on the left of the space bar, you hit the Alt key. And when you do that, this menu bar pops up. If you hit Alt again, it goes away. So every time you hit Alt, it'll pop up and go away, right? Now, if you want that menu bar to stay there all the time, you hit the Alt key and then click on View, Toolbars, and then check the menu bar. Now this menu bar is here all the time. And if you want to turn it off, you just go to View, Toolbars, deselect menu bar, and it's off again. So for the purposes of these videos, I'm going to leave it on. It'll just make it easier. Okay, now we're going to look at compatibility mode. So what you want to do is you want to click on Tools and Compatibility View Settings. But the first thing you want to do is actually have the website that's giving you a problem, have it loaded up inside of Internet Explorer. So what you want to do is bring up the website. So in this case, it would be Amazon.com. So once Amazon.com is loaded in IE, you click on Tools and then click on Compatibility View Settings. And that'll bring up this little window here, and you'll see that the domain is already inserted here. It says Amazon.com. Okay, so what you want to do is just very simple. Just click on Add, and it drops Amazon.com into the list right here. It says websites you've added to Compatibility View. Don't worry about the checkboxes down here. It's not relevant for this. All you want to do is click on Add, and then you'll see the website inserted right here, and then click on Close. Now, you want to make sure that the changes actually took. You'll notice what it just did was it refreshed the page, and now it's loaded in compatibility mode. And if you want to check that, you just click on Tools again, then go to Compatibility View Settings, and now you'll notice that Amazon.com is down here in the setting where it says websites you've added to compatibility view. That's it. So that's the first step. Now, in the next video, we'll talk about security settings and trusted zones. Hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.